Hi guys, today in this video we're going to see the best VPN available for all types of platform and system as well as OSs. So let's get started. So our VPN name is Proton VPN, which is a very highly and best VPN I have ever used in my life. So let's get started. First we have to create an account here. So we'll create an account. We'll go down, get Proton for free as you can see here. Then I will click it, then continue with free. As you can see, it's opening. Let's create an account like the OZE123 at the rate proton.me, proton.us, and start using Proton VPN. So it's creating our account, securing it. So this is the default password. Now I want to change the password, so I will click on choose my own password. I'll go with this. I'll retype my password, confirm it. Now set new password. As you can see here, download Proton VPN. So you can click download here to download the software of the VPN, or else I have already installed in my computer as you can see here. So I will don't reinstall it again. So I will close it. As you can see here, you can download for Android, iOS, Windows, MacOS, Android TV, Chromebook, Linux, GNU, in these different platforms. So as I am in the Windows, so I already installed the application. So I will open it up, and then here I have to give my username and password. So the username is mainly our email, and I will paste it here. And then I will go here, and then I will type my password as I given in the site while creating the account. If you want the VPN to start when you boot your computer, then you can check out this option. And here I don't want to boot, means to start the application when my computer starts, so I will check it off, and then I will click on the sign in button here. So as you can see, I am not connected. I will click on first here skip, then I will click on quick connect, connecting to the Japan server. It's connected. You can see the low transfer speed IP here as well. As you can see here, you will find the, you can change server from here as well. Now as you can see, we are connected to Japan server. Close it. I open a different tab. I will search what is my IP. I will click on it. As you can see, it's showing from Tokyo, Japan. You can use this Proton VPN in any platform like Android. It's available on Google Play Store as well as App Store and all different kinds of platform. So you can use it. It's a very good VPN service. which is fully free and legit. Okay then.